In this tutorial of Photoshop, we will learn that how to use crop tool and eraser tool in Photoshop. So let's start Photoshop and see how to use crop tool and eraser tool. So I'll open Photoshop and from here I'll take an image. So this is an image here, and this is crop tool and its shortcut key is C. So when you press C, you can see there that I will go on crop tool and how to use crop tool and why we will use it. When we will upload a image to mobile phones or Facebook, Instagram, so we will use a crop tool to crop our image like this. So here now I will use it, and you can see this. I want a picture of this all crop, and you should be accurate as your picture, and it will be here is correct. So now my picture is cropped, and now I will press move to, and you can see that our picture will be cropped here, and I will go back again. So when I will select or press Ctrl C, so shortcut C, so my crop tool will be selected, and from here you can see you can choose whatever of the ratio or here of an image and resize the resolution, rotate your crop box. So you can rotate from here, and this is the square of 1 by 1 box, and this is original ratio of an image. From here you can also choose your image, but this is very easy and simple, unconstrained, and you can work easily and freely by this. I'll again choose my image and do this. So you can see our image will be cropped here, and crop tool also gives a an effective way to, if we want that I want this I want some changes here, add the data here or something, so I will press here. So you can see that this part will be added here, and our background image will be here. So you can do this end of the corner, and our artboard will be increased the size. And if we uncheck this, so this is our background, and this is, you can see this, unselect. If you want that, I'll take crop tool and move it here, and when I click on this icon, done, this will be cropped. But if I'll be do it reset and not, so it will not be cropped here, and so this is not cropped now. But if I will do it, it will be reset on again. And this is the type of the crop tool and rule of third, which is the best for crop an image. But if you want that grid, so it will be gives you a grid and also triangle, so it will make a triangle and a lot of options here, golden sparrow or something more. But the rule of third is very easy and necessary for us to use and crop an image or something like that. Now we will select this eraser tool. And how to use eraser tool, I will take a new file and I will make it something here. So I'll take a circle, and if I want erase something from here, sorry, so I select this eraser tool. The shortcut key of eraser tool is E, and you can increase the size of brush by square brackets, and square right bracket and left bracket will be decrease the size of brush. And now you can remove your area from where you want, and if your image is so complicated, you can decrease the size and do your work efficiently, if like this, that if I want that corner will be removed like this. And in this image, if I want, this is background eraser tool, this will be remove the background, you can see this, and also decrease or increase the size by square brackets, and you can do whatever you want. So I will do again Control Shift Z, and now see the magic eraser tool. What is magic eraser tool? If you want that all the color in this image will be removed, so I will take a copy of this image by Control J, and now I want that this all background will be removed here, so I will press this magic eraser tool, and you can see this, our layer 1 image, all the color will be removed by magic eraser tool. So it will remove the all color which will be selected, and if this area, we can select also this eraser tool brush, and by this we can also remove this color. So this is our tutorial in which we will learn that how to use crop tool and eraser tool. In the next tutorial we will see a new tool of Photoshop. Goodbye, see you, and if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. Goodbye.